This is my El Cheapo small curling iron. I bought this at Walmart for under $5. It's Conair is the brand. It is, I mean, bottom of the barrel, to say the least. It has a high button and a low button and an off button, which is nice, and a little indicator light, which, you know, is kind of brainless not to have. I just needed a real small curling iron to curl the back of my hair, and I change my hairstyle so often that I don't like to invest in really high quality stuff, because, you know, 6 months from now I'll be doing something different with my hair and I may or may not need it. So I don't like to go too crazy with it. But now I'm starting to regret that and thinking that maybe I should invest in better quality tools. But this, it heats up really well. It just doesn't seem like it has as much control as a higher quality curling iron. You know, it's got a, kind of a snap in there, and then there's some loose parts the hair will still fall through, and it just doesn't seem like it does as good of a job. I think curling irons, if you go for a higher end one, you'll definitely get a better curl for it and a longer lasting curl because of it. And I would guess that it's probably better on your hair too. I use this just on the very back of my hair, and I cut that every 4 to 5 weeks, so I don't even get a chance to get any real damage going there, so I'm not too concerned about it. But it does the trick for $5 if that's what you need. It does it. So it's the Conair.